Introducing the Plate Joiner. Slim and ergonomic. With its cast aluminum front body, it's designed for making strong plate joints with efficiency, accuracy, convenience, speed, and comfort. The PJ7000 has non-marring rubber inserts engineered to prevent material from slipping. The powerful 5.6 amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM for quick, precise cutting. The rack and pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate adjustments with 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. It has 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops and common biscuit sizes. The double insulated PJ7000 also has a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easy blade changes. Quick changing bag means cleaner work. The Plate Joiner by Makita.
Used to be big cuts required big saws. Not anymore. Meet the Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. So compact, you can use it anywhere. So powerful, it delivers all the bite of the big boys, but weighs half as much for better comfort and control. Perfect for tight spots. Even a backboard for mess-free projects. The new Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. It's the smallest big saw you'll ever use. Get yours today.
The Hitachi C10 FCG 15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw was designed for trim carpenters, framers, and woodworkers who demand precision, reliability, and versatility on the job. Its flexible miter angles and compound cutting capacity make this an ideal tool for a professional finish. The 15-amp motor generates a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM for making crosscuts and miters with ease, even on the toughest cutting applications. The C10 FCG is lightweight, weighing just 24.2 pounds. It's the lightest 10-inch compound miter saw in its class to date, which makes it convenient to move around the job site. It has a large table, which provides a sturdy support with a vise clamping system to hold your workpiece safely in place. The thumb-actuated positive miter stops allow for simple miter adjustments. The miter angle ranges from 0 to 52 degrees to the right and left for increased flexibility. The bevel range is 0 to 45 degrees to the left to provide clean and accurate bevel cuts. To keep your workspace clean and safe, a dust bag is included. A dust port located at the rear can easily be connected to a shop vac or other dust collection system to help minimize the accumulation of dust and particles. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong the life of the tool. This miter saw provides smooth, accurate miters, and crosscuts on wood, plywood, decorative panels, soft fiberboard, hardboard, and with the proper blade, even aluminum sashes. It's covered by Hitachi's 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The C10 FCG 15 amp 10 inch compound miter saw is your solution for easier portability and professional cuts.
And I'll go